final example, we're going to order the numbers given from largest to smallest value. And when you look at these, they're in all different forms, making it very difficult to compare them. Therefore, in order to compare them, I'm going to get them all in a similar form. I'm going to get them all into a decimal form. And pi equals 3.14. Now, the second number has a bar over the 1.4. And what that indicates, if there's a bar over the number, is that indicates that the 1.4 is repeating. I could have 1.6 repeating, and then that would just be 1.66666 and on and on. Here I have the 1 and the 4 repeating. I could even have, 7.892 repeating, and then all three of those would repeat. It would be 7.892, 892, 892, and on and on. Okay, so 3.14 with a bar over it tells me that this is just going to go on indefinitely, repeating. So I'll write it out, 3.141414, and that should be far enough for now. Okay, so I have 3.14 with the 1.4 going on and repeating, and I have the square root of 10. So I'm going to approximate that using a rational number as 3.162. And then I have 25 over 8. And if you figure this out, it comes out to 3.125 in decimal form. So I have all of these in decimal form, and when they're all in the same form, I can compare them. So I start out, and I want to look for my largest number. Well, square root of 10 is my largest number. Okay? Second largest. Well, this is 3.14, but I don't know what comes after. And since this is 3.14 up to the hundredths place, I can't really compare them unless I take pi out to a farther value. So I have pi is 3.14159. That allows me to compare them. The ones are the same, the fours are the same. Now, as I'm going past that, these ones are the same, I'm seeing that pi is actually slightly larger than 3.14 repeating. So that is my second largest value. And right after that is going to be 3.14 repeating. Finally, the smallest one is 25 over 8. Now, I go back to what they asked me. They asked me to order the numbers from largest to smallest. Therefore, from largest to smallest is going to be, my largest number is going to be the square root of 10. Then I'm going to go to pi. After that, it's 3.14 repeating. And then finally, 25 over 8. So for this example, I had to first convert all of these into decimals so that I could compare them. And I had to take them out far enough that I was actually able to differentiate between pi and 3.14 with the repeating. And then I was able to look at them and order them as I was asked. So today we discussed the real number system and talked about various subset of numbers within that system and their definitions. Thanks for visiting Educator.com.